Riffusion AI music tutorial. Make music with AI today. I'm going to show you how to make music using Riffusion, an AI-powered platform that turns your words into sounds. First, go to riffusion.com and sign in using Google, Discord, or your phone number. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt box. Type in the phrase like funky disco groove with lively bass lines, or anything that describes the kind of music you want. Then hit generate. Riffusion will give you two versions of your song. Listen to both, pick the one you like, and download it in M4A format by clicking the three dots. If you want more control, use the Compose tab. You can add lyrics, choose instruments, and even guide the structure using tags like intro, verse, or chorus. Be as specific as you can. Mention the vibe, tempo, or genre you're aiming for. The more detail, the better the result. Riffusion is great for beginners and pros alike.